Okay, guys, thank you. Welcome back to my channel. We are here to do another client tutorial. Today I have with me my beautiful cousin. Yeah, I'm sure she's gonna do Team Too Much today per usual, but we're just gonna do a little look and see for the holiday this season.
So professional, girl. Yeah. You gonna touch my face?
Next, we're going in with the Embryolisse. Okay, so unnecessary. Finally, we're gonna go in with the Milani Prime Shield. Next, we're gonna go in with Fit Me Maybelline in a medium color. What it does is kind of keep the oils from seeping through. And I generally just put that in the T-zone area. Blah. Fit Me. You see what I'm talking about? We're gonna go in with the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the color Espresso.
Are they working?
Oh, my eyebrows. Yeah, of course. They work with me. You don't. Next, we're gonna conceal with the LA Girl Concealer Pro Concealer, and the colors are almond and y'all know the color everybody uses. Fawn. Today we're gonna go in with the Perception Shayla Times Color Pop palette. We're gonna start with Gorgeous down bottom. Now we're going in with the Color Pop X's and O's. We're gonna use Rookie. So now we're gonna go in and with the Black Radiance Cream Gel Liner. Bitch, just shut. People, I tell you. Almost. Oh God. Okay. Okay. That would seem too much.
Open and look down.
Open.
And look down. Look down.
Boom. What are we going in today? I think
Your
we're
mom.
gonna do these two right here. So now we're gonna go in with concealer, and we're using Fawn mixed with the Tarte and Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. I'm gonna place those right there in front of the eyes. Thank you very much. Alright, you're good. Come on. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Let that rest. We're gonna go in with the Iman pressed powder and set the areas of the face that has just foundation on it. Now we're going with our MAC NC45 Studio Fix. I set every place that I highlight with it to give it that smooth finish. Going back in with our Fit Me. I'm gonna try to go in with this Yara color right here from my Sahara Blush Palette Volume 2. How about this? Boom. I'm gonna go in with the towel. The orange right there is a little blush.
think that you are the way home.
BFF 4-liner. We're going to go in with the lime crime. What color is this? Trinity. Next, I'm going in with the MAC Viva Glam Lip Glass. Finish off with a little Morphe finishing spray. Look at that glow, boo.
Don't. Look at myself. Ooh. Oh. Let's go.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick me. And stay tuned for more. Have a good one.
Make me look pretty.
I'm going to go back to it.
Okay.
Powder. Look up for me. Look up for me. You so happy.